folks, first container pot of potatoes of the year. These have been grown inside in my little lean-to, so as you can see they've not had the best of light. Looking a bit sickly now, so we'll see what we've got. I'm not expecting a lot, as long as I get enough for one meal. That's the main aim with these early ones, just to get an odd meal before the main crops outside are ready. So we'll have a look. These were a variety called Jazzy, and they were the ones I got from potatoes that I bought in the shops. So looking exactly like the potatoes I bought from the shop, so that's a good sign. Very dry, this compost. I could have possibly given it a bit more water, but looking quite promising really. Settle for this. A little bit small, like I said, I should have probably watered them a bit more, but like I said, as long as I get a meal, that'll do for me. So we'll just rifle through these a bit, see what we've got. Yeah, these are Jazzy. They're supposed to produce a lot of small tubers. That's what I'm growing outside this year. So, yeah, if these have had a bit more water and left a little bit longer, it'd have been a lot better, but I do think we're going to get enough for a meal. Let's just have a root through again. Try to separate these. So these, like I said, were from some potatoes I bought from the co-op, which were new potatoes in bags, and I just noticed that the variety was called Jazzy, which was the same variety that I was growing anywhere, and it was a lot cheaper to buy them as eating potatoes and then just use them as seed potatoes than to actually buy the seed potatoes, because you know how expensive seed potatoes can be, especially with the postage if you're not near a garden centre. So I thought I'd give them a go. It's not too bad. For a little pot with just 2 little seed potatoes in that cost absolutely, literally pennies. Definitely enough for a meal there. So mission accomplished, I think. Probably a couple of pound of spuds there, give or take. So there we go folks, first little container pot of the year. Not a bad result. If they'd have all been like that size, I'd have been happier, but like I said, compost's a bit dry. But it's a good, you know, it looks good. So the ones outside should be pretty good because we've had plenty of rain, so they should get a lot bigger. So that's about it for us, folks. First little container harvest of the year.